So something I do often is export just one object from my scene. And in this scene, I've got a lot. And in Blender, it's very easy to accidentally export the entire scene rather than just the one object. So I'm gonna just walk you through it. So if you have one object selected and then go to File, Export, and then you pick the format you want to export in, you probably will be using STL or FBX or OBJ. For this example, I want to print out the teddy bear, so I'm going to go to File, Export, STL, and then you just find the subfolder that you want to print it to, give it a name, I'm going to call it bear, and then make sure selection only is selected. It will automatically revert to nothing checked off here. You want to make sure it's checked off so that your selection is going through and not the entire scene. So I don't want the whole dollhouse, I just want the bear. Selection only is checked off. So now I export STL, and now if I just open up a new scene, just delete that. File, if I wanted to import this STL, I can bring it in, and I'll just show you guys really quick. So I gotta go to my dollhouse folder here, assets, STL, bring him in, and he's very tiny and all the way over here. So if I just click period on my number pad, I will zoom in. There he is. So I have exported and then re-imported just this one object. As you can see, the whole house did not come with him. So it's perfect, and I can print him out now. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.